What we're doing, guys, welcome back to my cooking channel, guys. This is Chef Carlton here from the Just Good Cooking Network. I'm asking you to please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you won't miss my notifications. Today I'm walking you guys through a special recipe, guys, so stick around, guys, and let's have fun while we do this one. Alright, guys, so today I'm going to be doing a apple caramel cake, and with fodder on the corner, guys. I'm using pumpkin spice, some cinnamon, some apples. This one is going to be good, guys. I got some brown sugar, some flour, baking powder, baking soda. So let me just portion everything and get everything portioned and prepped up for you guys. Alright, guys, so I got the flour, sugar, eggs, everything all portioned up. I just need to get my apples diced, so I'm going to walk you guys through that part right now. Alright, so we're going to make sure we wash our apple. We're just going to cut it. Just cut it down there. You want to pour it, remove the center. And we're just going to go ahead and get off the skin. And if you have like the potato peeler will work also, but the knife is much faster. Alright. And we're just going to go ahead and cut this in some strips. Now we're gonna dice. And so this is what you're looking for with your apples, guys. Nice small dice. Alright, let's go ahead and start making our cake. Alright, guys, so for this one, I'm gonna start by adding our butter. Make sure your room temperature to liquid. You don't want this one to be cold. This one could be warm, could be liquid. You just don't want it to be cold. Alright. Add our sugar. Salt. Add our pumpkin spice. Cinnamon. Add our apples. I'm just gonna cream these together, mix all of this together. Now already smell like a bakery inside here, guys. It's nice fall scent. I tell you guys, this one is going to be really good. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and tip a little bit of vanilla in here. Much baking soda. I'm doing baking soda and baking powder in this one. Here's your baking powder. I'm gonna go ahead and add my eggs. Alright, whisk that together again. And then we're gonna gently fold in the flour. We're almost there, guys. Then we're going to, while our cake is going, we're going to go ahead and make some caramel sauce that we're going to use to top it off. Alright, let's get our flour in. I'm not really measure everything out, so it's going to take everything, so you could go ahead and make sure you get everything in. Alright, and then we're just going to incorporate all of this bad boy together. I have a mixer, electrical mixer. I'm gonna plug it in a few, but I want to just get it as much as I can with my hand first. Oh yeah, you could smell it. Let me get the mixer now because it's starting to get thick. Alright, so now we're going to start off on low. that's it. Now we're going to transfer this to our baking tin. Alright guys, so now we're going to go ahead and grease our baking tin. And some butter. That's just so our cake won't stick. And your oven should be at 350 by now. Alright, just going to go ahead and transfer this. And this will be better if you use in that pan that have the little hole in the center of it, so you get like a nice round cake with the mountains and stuff. But I'm using a regular baking tin. That works too. Alright, just going to go ahead and level this off. We're going to set this in at 350 and we're going to check it periodically. Alright. Alright guys, so while our cake is going really quick, let's go ahead and make our sauce. We're going to start by adding the butter. We want to melt this. We're going to add the sugar once this is fully melted. Some vanilla. Then we're going to slowly add some heavy cream. We'll use that into our caramel sauce. So real simple. Alright, now we're at this stage, we're going to add our sugar. Go ahead and now we're starting to get that. We're going to go ahead and put our heat on low, super low, keep whisking. Keep whisking. It's time for it. I'm going to tip some vanilla. Alright. Keep whisking. Now when I'm making caramel sauce, guys, when I get to this stage, what I would usually do is either I'll make the fire really low, or I'll take it off altogether. So you gotta add the cream slowly in the stream, slowly like that, and keep whisking. And it's hard to do a while because I'm holding it while I'm recording. So I'll be like whisking while I'm adding the cream in like a steady, slow stream. So that's what I'm gonna do off camera. It's gonna be like a nice stream like so while I'm whisking. Alright. And finish, I'll show you guys the end product. That's how I make caramel sauce, guys. Alright guys, so this is where our caramel sauce at, and we're just going to let it sit and get room temperature. Then it will thicken up even more. It's already thick enough where we could use it, but because it's hot, I'm just going to let it hit room temperature and it'll be good to go. Caramel sauce is ready. We're going to go ahead and pour it. We're going to transfer the cake to this dish right here. And we're going to pour our caramel sauce over the top. Alright guys, let's go. And it's up to you guys. You can put as much in it as you want. You can put as little as you want. But that's it guys. Nice apple. And that's some nice caramel toffee sauce on top, if you may. Nice for the fall. Alright guys, thanks for watching as always, and please hit that subscribe button guys.